Multi-criteria decision-making in business. Hello everyone. Today, we'll dive into a fascinating part of business and workplace culture: the multi-criteria decision-making models. In a world full of choices, understanding how decisions are made can be a game changer, especially in the business arena. Let's get started. Multi-criteria decision-making, MCDM, models are tools and methodologies used to evaluate and prioritize multiple conflicting criteria. In simple words, when we have several factors to consider while making a decision, these models come in handy. Imagine you're deciding on a new project to start. You'd have to consider the cost, potential profit, resources needed, time, and more. MCDM helps streamline this process. There are several types of MCDM models. We'll focus on three popular ones. 1. Analytic Hierarchy Process, AHP. This is a structured method for organizing and analyzing decisions. AHP breaks down a problem into a hierarchy of more easily comprehensible subproblems, which can be evaluated separately. 2. Technique for Order Preference by Similarity to Ideal Solution, TOPSIS, quite a mouthful, right? TOPSIS ranks alternative solutions by their relative closeness to an ideal solution. 3. Elimination and Choice Expressing Reality, ELECTRA. This model eliminates alternatives by applying multiple criteria consecutively until a preferred solution emerges. Each of these models has its own strengths and nuances, but they all aim to make decision-making more systematic and objective. In business, decisions often involve multiple stakeholders with varying priorities. By using MCDM models, businesses can ensure transparency. Everyone involved can see how a decision was reached. Boost confidence. Stakeholders can be more certain that the best decision was made given the available information. Reduce biases. By relying on structured models, decision-makers can minimize the influence of personal biases. There you have it, an overview of multi-criteria decision-making models and their importance in the business world. Remember, decision-making is an art backed by science. By understanding and employing these models, you can make more informed choices in your business endeavors. We hope this video has shed light on a complex topic, making it a bit easier for you to navigate. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.